Lots of roots, lots of stumps. Gotta watch out that you don't get your front tire just totally washed out on this stuff. Oh, this is fun. Fucking stupid logs. Well, welcome guys. We're about to go up the start of the trail here and try and get up to Secret Lake. Try and find it anyways. Well, welcome to the trail guys. We're just kind of cruising along here on the 2020 Apollo RFZ. Just taking a little trail. Never been up here before, first time. Got Buddy following up back, Brandon. Hell yeah, he's cool. That's it. Honestly, not really sure if we're going the right way or not. We're just kind of fucking going somewhere. See if this is it. I don't know. Wonder if we made it up the hill or not. Alright, back on the road. Holy shit, boys. Not a chance. This is a fucking bush truck. There's a Toyota headlight right there. vibe from it because it's like more main road.
Up there, it just looks like it kept going up and up and up and up.
Oh, that's some fucking soupy stuff. Well, you picked a good spot to stall, at least on a stump log. Whoa! What a trail we're on. Woohoo! Can't see. This is definitely not it, but this is a sweet trail. I don't think this is it, but it's pretty cool. Let's just go and see the top. Well, it goes from being like somewhat of a trail to looking like someone just drove their truck through the bush. I'll get up. He said it, not me. Holy, where are we going? Yep, no idea where we are, guys. Yeah, we really just don't know where Secret Lake is, so I guess maybe next time when we come out we're gonna continue looking, because we're definitely not there. We're up some fucking super ghetto random trail that's actually fucking dope. It's pretty fun to ride, but it's definitely not no Secret Lake. So So I guess we'll have to keep adventuring, and maybe tomorrow we'll come up and do some more exploring. Lots of roots, lots of stumps. Gotta watch out that you don't get your front tire just totally washed out on this stuff. Stuff you don't see till you're right there over on top of it already. Oh, this is fun. Fucking stupid logs. Alright, there we go. Onwards. Sounds like he got his bike running. Had some starting issues with it a minute ago. Seems like he flooded it out a bit. Holy. It's fucking sticking me shit. No, that's what I'm saying. That's the one way we didn't.
But it doesn't even look like a fucking
No, that doesn't really look like a trail. So.
There was that one and the other rock one.
Right. Fuck, that stinks like dog shit.
Yeah.
So that sure looks like it went up there, and that one went fucking Dixie squat fuck all nowhere. That one doesn't look worn in for shit. So it can't be these.
Check out the rock one
That was tasty. Huh? It's the last one and I'm here. This has to be it. There's no other trails. Like literally, we've taken them all. It's fucking right there. Yeah, buddy. We did it. Fuck yeah.
That was easy as fuck. Oh my god.
Had to go fucking 12 feet.
Dude, I'm so stoked right now.
Found it. Hell yeah.
Dude.
I'm glad we went up.
I'm actually so fucking stoked. You have no idea.
Fuck yeah. Well,
I can't fucking believe all that fucking around. Oh my god, dude, I'm fucking down. Honestly, I wanted something so bad.
well, we made it to the lake. Battery's about to die, but we're here. Here's the cabin. That's pretty dope and whatnot. There's a little bed and platform and whatnot. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, peace.